Hello and welcome to this video that will show you exactly how to have a conversation. So let's begin right away.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
So notice how I have engaged with the lady here.
What?
Well, it's a pleasure that you would come here all this way to feature in this video. So thank you for coming. Oh, okay. Okay. So as you can see, our conversation has moved on to laughter, which is good for both of us because it means we're both enjoying the conversation. Let's try asking this lady a question. What are you doing here? It is important to ask the right questions because otherwise you get slapped in the face. It is great to have you here.
Thank you.
Where did you come from? Again, I asked the completely wrong question and it led to a slap. So I'll need to try and ask the right question from now on. Please don't slap me. Everything leads to slaps these days.
True.
Yeah. Because this is just a general video about how to have a conversation.
Oh my goodness.
I can't think of any questions that I want to ask. Are there any questions that you want to ask? So, to this lady here, what is your name? I haven't even asked that.
Oh, my name is Unrandom Idiòt.
Unrandom Idiot?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
It means I'm unrandom idiot.
But that's very similar to my name.
What's your name?
My name is Random Idiot.
No way.
Are we basically the same person?
No, because I'm unrandom idiot.
So, how does that... I don't get how that works.
Because I don't know what a random idiot does, but I don't do random stuff. I do unrandom stuff.
So you do stuff that's predictable.
Sequential.
Bless you. We have established her name. Her name is...
Unrandom Idiot.
It's Unrandom Idiot. Unrandom.
With an accent at the end. Idiot.
And Unrandom Idiot, what do you do?
I do unrandom idiotic things. Idiot.
Like what kind of things?
Such as...
That's very random idiotic. Yeah, I think she's fallen asleep. But no worries, we'll try and find someone else to speak to. Oh, she's woken up. All of a sudden. So we have established...
What are you doing?
I was just addressing the audience.
Why are you speaking to the audience? There's no one there.
The audience is the people watching this video.
There's no one watching.
Probably not, but it's good to address the audience.
No, you're having a conversation. That's what I came here for.
Yeah, the video is how to have a conversation.
Then why don't you have the conversation? And then they can see how to have the conversation.
As we can see...
Then what are you doing?
Well, it's just speaking.
No. You have the conversation with me,
Yeah.
not with the no one.
I've got no one to speak to. Okay. So
What are you doing?
as you can see,
What
that
was
she's
it?
she's very angry. This conversation did not go as planned. Well, it's been a pleasure speaking to you.
No.
No.
The pleasure's not been mine.
Oh, okay. Oh, I forgot to tell you that this was recorded. Is that okay? That you're on camera?
I don't know if the FBI are after me.
Are they after you?
I don't know.
So we have gone straight into the
But
conversation.
you're still speaking to someone else.
Yeah, I was speaking to them just to let them know what's happening because there's a lot of conversation flowing at the moment. And this is like a video on how to have a conversation. So people who are watching may not be able to understand how or be able to have a conversation themselves, so they're learning from us. Okay. Okay then. So as we can see, I have asked her many questions.
But have you?
She has responded and asked me a few questions.
Have I?
And we are conversing.
Are we?
We are.
Are we though?
I think we are.
No. He's really bad at this.
Thank you. So I have been meaning to ask you, what is your favourite thing to do?
I do like to have conversations.
Do you?
Yeah.
What kind of conversations?
The ones that flow.
Ones that flow?
Hmm.
So ones that aren't like hesitant?
Hmm. They're not so good.
Not so good?
Not so good.
Ones that like just go off on one and then just go back in a circle and then...
Yeah, no, I don't like the ones that go off on one. It's very offy on one.
Oh, so you like conversations where you where the same question isn't asked over and over and over again?
Exactly. Over and over and over again is a no.
So to confirm, are those your favourite kind of conversations?
Yes. The ones that do not go over and over again.
Okay, well, I'll try and ensure that doesn't happen with us when I'm asking questions over and over again, okay?
Okay. It would be good if you didn't ask questions over and over again.
Okay, well, I'll try not to, because as we've established that you don't like questions that just repeat themselves and don't lead anywhere. They just lead into like a circle.
Yeah, no, you just get dizzy.
Yeah, because it's not good to ask the same question over and over again.
Yeah.
So you don't need to worry, because that's not going to happen with us, I think.
Okay.
With the questions I ask.
Moving on.
Oh, moving on. Yes, I was just going to ask you, what is your favourite thing to do?
I think I should go, perhaps.
So soon? You've just got her?
I know, but my carrier pigeon awaits.
Oh, okay. What are your favourite things to do?
I like comedy and I like funny things. I like to laugh.
No.
What?
I don't know why I said that.
Oh. What was it again?
But you laugh, so I guess you like that.
Yeah, awkward laughter. What did you say again?
What did I say? I said that you like to laugh. No, that's what you said.
Wanting to tell the audience what you just said to me before.
The audience. What I said. What you like to do?
Yeah, and then you said something.
What did I say?
No.
What kind of things do you like to do on YouTube?
Watch Random Idiot.
No, but seriously.
I like to watch crap.
Oh, so you were lying before. If the conversation is not going to plan, you can try touching the person that you're speaking to.
What are you doing? Don't touch anyone.
Oh. Hello.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh no, I was just greeting you.
Greeting me?
Yeah.
What's this?
Oh, it's just...
No, it's not good.
No?
It's not good.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, go.
So that has been How to Have a Conversation, and I'd just like to thank my special guest for appearing on this video with me. Thank you.
Okay.
As you can see, she has been very happy to participate in the conversations that we've been having together.
I have not.
And thanks again for watching. Stay tuned.
No one is watching.
And stay tuned for the next video.
No one is tuned for the next video.
Goodbye.
But I just got here.
Would you like to wave as well? Just put me in the eye.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You can do outtakes.
Might do at the end. Might do.
Improv. You went, oh yeah. Yeah, I know.